Hi, welcome to Direct Marketing Solution. Today I'm going to talk about the company. The company started exactly way back 2 years before, like 25th of June 2018. It was started me myself. My name is Leela Prasad, and I have two players one is Nishant Kailash, one is Sakib Khan, one is Mallesh Power, and the fourth person, his name is Deepak Vasani. We all are together. They started the company, and when we started, we have a big thing we created a greatest principles of the company. First, the vision of the company. We want to transform the people's self-esteem in towards high self-esteem. We are actually encourage them and motivate them to think, that means see themselves in a bigger size. And second thing, we have a goal. We want to create a group of entrepreneurs. There is nothing. There is one person is a boss and the rest of the people are the employees. There is not like that. Here they all are, whoever the people, they are going to work in DMS. They are going to be the future entrepreneurs. And we, through the training, through the process, actually we constructed, the mindsets. We build the mindsets. We build their self-esteem into high self-esteem. Second, we have a mission. From the joining of the company in the next 5 years, like at the time of 25th June 2023, we want to establish into 15 locations and more than 5 states. That is actually the goal, and we want to take the turnover into high level, like almost 5 crores turnover per annum. In the journey, we already constructed 2 organizations, like one is at Gujarat and one is at Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai and Ahmedabad. And in the next 3 years down the line, we are going to achieve that. And for that, actually, we need people, and we are that is a mission. That is a goal. And the next thing, the core values, that means we expected some few good qualities from the people. The first thing, the person should be loyal and skillful. And the second, the person should be, career oriented. Third, he needs to be flexible to learn and upgrade himself. And the fourth, he needs to be a fun loving extrovert. And the fifth, the person should be disciplined, what we expected. And the next thing, the purpose. Actually, we have a very strong purpose of running this company. Especially, I'm the founder. I have a special purpose of running this company. I want everyone's honest effort and rightful skills get recognized and paid. We are working with that leadership, and we are going to achieve that. And till now, we work with 19 brands, like national, international brands. I work for Chisa Point first for the 4 outlets, and second, we done the campaign for Neapolitan Pizza, and after that, we work for Anand Resort, and after that, we work for Juno's Pizza, especially in Mumbai, even in Ahmedabad. And we work for Lapino's Pizza. This is one of the upcoming pizza chains. And we work for unisex saloons, like Melon Saloon in Ahmedabad. And we work for Impression. And we work for like Lux, it is at Vasai. And we are working for Tony and Guy. And we are working for Nandanvan Resort. Like a lot of national, international, multinational companies we already work for, and we are going to do the campaigns for many brands are coming up. Okay, looking forward, and the company really, I am seeing one of the greatest future in the company. Just welcome to the company. Let's work together and let's grow together. All the best.